All right, here we go. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create an overlay using your AI images. Understand that we're using Discord. So I do have the creative community here, but then I also have the bot in my own area, my own direct messages, so that I can just search on my own and find it quicker. So if you have the paid version, you can then just have your own little area of your images. So with AI, it's whatever you imagine. So you need to put in the prompt. So you can see here that my prompt is small lavender floral wallpaper. Now, when you're first doing it, when you first put in the prompt, you're going to get 4 images. Then you pick which one you want. So the first row, this is U1, U2, U3, U4. V means variation. So I picked U1. I also picked a variation. So here's the first one, and then here's my variation where the flowers are a little bit more spread out. Once I do that, I can click Beta Upscale Redo, and it'll be higher resolution. Once I do that, then I save it. Now I'm ready to get to work. Once I save it, it's simply a PNG file. I bring that PNG file, here it is, into Photoshop. My image is here. All I'm going to do is right click on this and do move to new window. And then I'm going to drag it over here on the image. I'm going to put it in the corner and I'm going to do edit, transform, scale. And I'm just going to scale the whole thing. Now, once I do that, I'm going to go into layers and I clicked overlay. You can do soft light. So first I did overlay, then I went to soft light. Okay. And then all I have to do is erase from the baby. Now, there's 100 ways to Sunday to do anything, but this is a super, super easy way to add an overlay to the image. Now, I am on a paid version, so with the paid version, I can do whatever I want with this image. There's a lot of conversation about, can these print? This is a soft, soft light overlay. This should print fine. I am going to do a test print on this, but there's really no reason why this shouldn't print well. Like anything, you can adjust the opacity. Once you're happy with it, then you just flatten it and save it. I like to save things as Photoshop, just to make sure that I have a backup. But once I'm done, then I'll just go ahead and hit save, and I'll just put an S in front of it as it's a sample. And then you're done. And so now I have this image as well as a whole library of images that I can use. So a lot of people are saying, do you just Google this? This is using Discord, and we have Midjourney, and this is in our creative online mentorship that we're doing. We have different areas where students are creating. We have homeworks each week. We're going over tutorials and doing homeworks. Tons and tons and tons of photographers are coming in here and learning the power of artificial intelligence. We are only in week 1. We still have 5 more weeks to go. There's so many things you can do. In week 1, we're doing how to create your own wall guides for your client, as well as some fun Valentine images and ideas. Really, you're only limited by your imagination. All you need to do is put in your prompt and then see what will come back. Your prompt is imagine, and then you could say, oh goodness, you could say California sunset on a deserted beach. And once you do that, the AI generator will then go back and spit images. Now, when you're in our community, you can go and see the other prompts that people are doing. Alex is in, our support. We have a lounge area where you can talk, much like Clubhouse, marketing and business, ideas, tutorials. We'll be posting new tutorials every week. The students are having an amazing time. Oh, I just love, look, you need bows, something for your hair. Let's create it. Again, you're only limited by your imagination. Does this take time to learn? Yes, guys, it's like anything. It's going to take you a hot minute. Be patient in the process. In our private Facebook group, we've included tutorials of installing Midjourney in Discord, and we'll be doing new tutorials every single week. We'll be helping you. Alex and myself, Ana Brandt, are here to support you. Is it something that you can do in 5 minutes? Once you're set up, yes, you can do it in 5 minutes, or you can spend 6 hours. But it's all part of the creative journey, which is why we made it a creative mentorship, so we can show you how to use the power of AI along with your imagination. For more information, go to anabrandeducation.com.